The drugs are setting in, dude. Yo, that Vyvanse is starting to wear off. The ADHD medicine, dude, yeah, it's starting to wear off real good. I'm starting to get pretty hyped.
Is take 60 milligrams of Adderall, crush that shit up.
Oh yeah! Brought to you by Drink Sprite. Oh, this is gonna be good. Oh yeah, this is gonna be real good.
That's awesome. I can do, I can just do this. Now I'm in my spot.
No, I'm about to go bum rush somebody. I'm about to go bum rush a dude. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm stuck here. Help. Help. I'm fucking. Fuck. Mother. Bad word. Pick off. Bad word. Okay. Yeah, I'm off. Bad word. Take off this too. I'm gonna take this off. Taking everything off right now. I'm gonna take a smoke grenade. I'm gonna stick in his pants.
Hey, watch the hut! Hey, watch the boat!
Here, have a grenade. Here, have a grenade. That's fucking hilarious. He only shot me once. And just choking him out there. I'm gonna throw another one in there. No, I'm gonna throw another one in there. Ah! Here, have a smoke. Want some candy? Want some candy, guys? Want some candy? I'll put it in your backpack. That was a waste of 20 bucks.
She was the Terminator this whole time.
I wasted 2 smokes. Hey, do you know how to fix a full auto high capa?
Nope. Nope.